Garden Road, and this at one time was a cottage country of the city. The area that everyone is about. We are asking today that you think of us, the residents that still live there, and raise our families in this clear-cut and devastated neighborhood. We have lost our forest, our deer and our wildlife are disappearing daily, and our children are not safe near the road because of the increased traffic and no sidewalks on our street. We have lost our privacy and our dignity. This exemption of the noise bylaw to allow construction between the hours of 8 p.m. and 6 p.m. is really asking a bit much. The machines and the crews run all day long. We have no peace and quiet at all. Now you want to occupy our quiet time with our families with your construction for reasons of progress. What about our quality of life and our progress with our families?